How to send disappearing photos and videos on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. Before starting the video, make sure to update Instagram to the latest version. After updating Instagram, simply open up the application on a device. Then tap on the message icon at the top right corner. Now simply open up your chat. Now on the empty space, simply swipe upside. Now release your finger when the circle is full. Then tap on OK. Now tap on the gallery icon. Now select your photos or videos. Then tap on send. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.